Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We're back with another one, guys. So AMC is sitting at $12.75, down over 5.4% on today, guys. As we see, we know the games they playing, guys. AMC should have been running with the overall market, but we can't say the whole overall market because only the stocks that we called out in particular has really been running today. Some of the stocks has been on their own wave, meaning either staying the same or even in fact coming down in price action. Like I told you guys, this is one of the phases of the market whenever they starts to break it up, break it apart. We know everything was running in the same frequency simultaneously. Everything was moving in the same direction. Every stock in every sector was either going up or it was coming down. Today, things was a bit different. Last week, things was a bit different. AMC was running with the overall market as it ran up. AMC also was coming down with it as it came down, but we started to see a difference in the week before and on last week. As the week before, the market in the indexes was doing well and going good when we had a short week like this week, that Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday when the market opened the week before last. The overall market was doing well while AMC was pulling back. And then on last week, AMC had 2 good days where it was going up in an upward direction, upward trend, while the overall market was pulling back 2 days out of last week. And now we see AMC was basically pulling back today, and the market, some of the stocks was doing well, guys. And the ones particular, the ones that we got involved in, almost all the stocks that we called out just recently had a banging day today. And specifically, one of the best ones was Carvana, and I couldn't stress it enough. We alerted that in VIP. We talked about it. Carvana. We made our money off it 2 weeks ago. We got out, told you guys when we got out, and told you guys it was going to pull back and drop for you to get right back in, and that's exactly what took place. You're not going to have this many chances though. I do want to get in and get out, make quick money with Carvana, but I also want to build me out a position and hold for long term, guys, because I do believe this thing could go, and see some great returns. I'm talking 300, 400, 500% returns. So you already know, I told you Carvana is going to be a banger. It's the Amazon in the car industry, and you already know what Amazon doing. The world largest company, one of them anyway. Top 2, top 3. But anyways, guys, let's take a look at AMC Entertainment. We know AMC has been killing them, making crazy amounts of money. So we're going to have a lot of fundamental investors also looking in and coming into this play that could make it more powerful. We can't get over the fact that the stock is manipulated. We can't, only thing we could do is play our cards, continue to, stand our ground. If we come up with some type of idea or plan that makes sense to where we can, push our power a little more, then we could do that. But other than that, we got to continue to just stand our ground, hold our ground. No, you shouldn't have all your money invested in one thing, because that way that holds you up and slows you down. So now you can't maneuver and get into plays like Carvana and make money and still have fun while you building your wealth, and while you waiting on AMC at the same time. So that's only when the frustration want to really come in, whenever you can't do what you want to do and move how you want to move, because you all invested in one particular company. So we know AMC Entertainment's keep winning this summer, guys. It's getting better and better. The Minions, The Rise of Gru, don't know if I'm pronouncing that movie correctly. I haven't watched it. I don't really know about that movie. I ain't really into movies like that. I watch a banger movie every now and then. I'm always too busy trying to learn and study, learn something new, because there's so much that we don't know. But anyways, guys, they broke the stateside box office records for the 4th of July holiday weekend. We had back-to-back weekends with 5 different movies topping $10 million a piece in ticket sales, guys, with short interest rising and a positive catalyst building, with the prospects are promising for AMC Entertainment stock. And notice they say $10 million a piece in ticket sales. That's just a drop in the bucket, guys, because that ain't where the real money coming at. The real money is coming at from those high-ass popcorns and high Skittles and treats and stuff. They're only going for a fraction of that price in the stores or the wholesalers that they're getting it from. They're making a 500-600% increase in sales. With 500-600% profit margin by selling those popcorn and candy and all that good stuff. That's what the bag really at. So anyways, as we see here, guys, it's not just about ticket sales. The concession stand is where the high margin revenue is made for multiplex operators, and AMC is thriving on that front. They thriving. Consolidated food consolidated food and beverage revenue per customer is clocking in at 40% higher. And then, in fact, that's where the banking, all the money coming in at. And now we up almost 50% on what we was doing in 2019. So that's letting you guys know the numbers do not lie. We're not seeing a reflection in the numbers of the price action as of now. But guys, if we, if you stay grounded, have patience, I'm pretty sure we at the bottom. There's nowhere else too much for AMC to go. Even if it went lower from here, ain't nobody going to do nothing but accumulate it. People is going to get, greedy. Don't want to do that, but seeing AMC any lower than the price is currently trading at, people definitely is going to be getting at it, guys. So you already know AMC is ramping. They say also AMC is ramping up mobile ordering across the chain, has helped boost advanced purchases of snacks and drinks. So you guys already know they're killing it in that department. It's only going to get better and better with all this catalyst, everything steady boiling up, and we not seeing the price be a reflection of it. It's soon going to bust, guys. Nothing but pressure. All this pressure building up. So you already know, guys, what to do. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. I love y'all, and be checking out these plays because, hey, these plays about to pop off again for a short period of time, and they're going to come right back down. So know when to get out of them, guys. And also, let me go ahead and put this out there. I had got out of my Carvana position at 28. I wanted to wait for it to go to 30. I said I was waiting for it to go to 30, but that's what you need to know sometimes. Sometimes you got to get out of stock a little sooner than what you planned for it, and sometimes you got to get out and take your gains a little sooner than what you planned for it, guys. So it just is what it is. It all come with you being your unique self and finding out what you good at and how you want to operate these markets. Because I know, despite probably don't want to hold too long, and who knows, guys, it could just keep going and then come back down. But I'm going to play my cards right, play your cards how you want to play them, guys. But I am looking for a dip because I know how the market like to operate during these times. A quick panic dip could happen and it could rip right back up. So I'll wait for that dip and then try to get back in and make even more money off Carvana. But like I said, guys, in another account, I definitely want to be accumulating and trying to hold Carvana for the next 2 years plus, because I do believe that's going to make us a lot of money, guys. Me specifically, but whoever out there that feel the same way I feel or see what I see with